Hi, my name is Sonal Baladini with Sonal Baladini Yoga YouTube channel. This is a love and abundance flow specifically designed for August 11th when there's Venus conjunct with Jupiter. Now you can do this particular flow on any Friday, which is the Venus day, or any other day where you want to activate your Venus energy or Venus and Jupiter energies together. Venus energies are for love, beauty. Jupiter magnifies everything. So, this flow is perfect for those who are calling in abundant love and abundant luxury. If you find this concept interesting, then please consider joining my yoga retreat in November in Goa. All the links are going to be in the description of this video. Whenever you're ready, join me with 2 yoga blocks or a bolster. Hi, welcome to your love and abundance flow or Venus flow. So, to begin with, bring 2 blocks. We're going to be lying on these blocks, or you could also be using bolsters if you don't have blocks. One block comes here, the other comes here. And if you've done my yoga videos before, you know exactly what's going to happen. So, we're going to be lying on this block, which is going to be supporting the upper back, and the second block is going to support the head. And then play around with the blocks to see which position fits you better today. Your butt stays on the yoga mat. In case your butt is up like this, you may want to lower the yoga blocks. Just remember your blocks have 3 settings: high, medium, low. Find what works for you. Bring your hands to your stomach. And let's take a few slow breaths. Your knees can be bent, or your feet can be together, or your legs can be straight. Find a position that's working for you. Take a deep inhale and notice how your belly expands. Exhale. Relax. Inhale. Your heart rises, your belly expands. And exhale, slowly, softly. Inhale, fully. And exhale, slowly, softly. One more. Inhale. Let your heart rise. And softly let go. Take a deep inhale. And let it out. Now bring your hands to the mat. Press your palms. Press your elbows and slowly rise up and cross your legs. Bring your hands to your knees. Close your eyes. Take a deep inhale and sigh it out. Enjoy each breath. 2 more like this. Inhale and let it out. Deep inhale through your nose and let it out. Open your eyes. Inhale, your heart leans forward, ready to receive. Exhale, your heart leans back. Contract your stomach. Inhale, heart leans forward. Exhale, heart leans back. Inhale, lean your heart forward. Enjoy this feeling. Exhale, lean your heart back. Neutral position, roll your shoulders back a few times and forward. Inhale, extend your arms, look up. Exhale, to the right side, twist. Lengthen your spine as you twist. Look behind your right shoulder and breathe. Inhale, arms up, high namaste. Exhale, to the other side. The right hand is holding your left thigh. Look behind your left shoulder. Twist. and breathe. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, once again to the right. Twist a little bit deeper. Inhale, heart expands, arms rise. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, one last time, arms up. Exhale, join your hands back, roll your shoulders back, lean your heart forward. And next, inhale, rise up, move your blocks to one side and come into all fours. All fours. Roll your shoulders over the hand a few times. Just feel into your body. Other side. Notice how your body is feeling. Notice how your hands are feeling. Notice each muscle. Twist your hands so that your fingers are facing your knees. Lean back and forth. Now, if this is too difficult, you can bring your knees forward. If this is too easy, you can bring your knees back. Find what's working for you. Normal hand position. Inhale, cow position. Exhale, contract with cat. Inhale, open up with cow. Exhale, cat. Inhale, expand your chest, cow position. Exhale, cat. Inhale with cow, lean back. Press your hands as you lean forward with exhale. Inhale. You could also be doing it on fingertips if that feels good. Follow your intuition. And exhale. Inhale, butt leans back. Exhale, contract your stomach, lean forward. Inhale, lean back. Exhale, lean forward. Cat position, cow position. Bring your heart to the yoga mat, chin to the yoga mat. And with inhale, baby cobra, roll your shoulders back. Exhale, child pose. One more time like that. Lean forward, cat, cow, knees, chest, chin. Baby cobra, inhale, exhale, child pose. Lean forward, cat, cow, knees, chest, chin. With the inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, from child pose, come up into downward facing dog. Bend your left knee, bend your right knee. Lean your butt side to side. Enjoy the first downward facing dog as you stretch your hamstrings, as you push your heart to the chest. Breathe. As you breathe, your spine moves like a wave. Now step your feet gently between your hands. Forward fold. Hold your elbows, let your head hang. Lengthen your neck in this forward fold. Breathe. Stay in forward fold. Now the planet Venus is associated with beauty, love, luxury, femininity. And the day, as per Vedic astrology, that's associated with Venus is Friday. So on Fridays or on special days where Venus is in your constellation, you can actually do this pose. Breathe. Lean side to side. Bring your hands to the yoga mat and roll softly. Let your hands hang as you roll softly up. Rise up and roll your shoulders back. Now join your hands in prayer position. Close your eyes. Set an intention. Maybe think of something which represents abundant love, beauty, or luxury in your life. Maybe it's a goal. Maybe it's your wish. Maybe it's a part of your manifestation plan. So keep that intention or your goal in mind as you breathe. We'll take a moment to chant Venus mantra. Om Shukra Namah. Om Shukra Namah. Om Shukra Namah. Open your eyes, extend your arms up and forward fold. Bring your right leg back, right knee comes onto the yoga mat. Both your hands are on the left thigh. Lean back and forth as we open the right side of hip flexor muscle. Open your heart to receive. There might be abundance in your life, but if you're close to receiving, then what's the point? So open yourself to receive. Bring your arms up and lean back. Enjoy this. We stay here for one deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Hands back to the yoga mat. Butt leans back. Your back, your stomach is contracted. Inhale here. Exhale. Bend your elbows 3 times. 3, 2, 1. Bend your left knee. Let your left foot lean a little bit to the left side. Your hands are right under your shoulders. So your left knee is on the left side of your left arm. Stay here for 3, 2, 1. Right hand stays where it is. Left hand is holding your left thigh. Maybe gently touch it with your left hand. Don't push it. You don't want to hurt yourself, but gently let it rest there. Lean side to side. Lean your hips. We're opening not just the heart, but also the hips. Breathe. Both hands come to the yoga mat. Right leg comes up. Inhale here. Exhale. Your left arm comes up. Bring your left arm behind. Open your left shoulder up. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left hand under the left shoulder. Left leg back. You're in plank. Knees, chest, chin. Inhale. Baby cobra. Roll your shoulders back. Exhale. Come into downward facing dog. From downward facing dog, right leg comes up, right arm comes up. 3, 2, 1. Put your hands to the yoga mat. Left leg comes up. Inhale, arms up. Extend, open to receive. Exhale, seal it with Namaste. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Left leg behind, left knee to the yoga mat. Stay here. Hands on the right thigh. Lean back and forth. Enjoy stretching your left side hip flexor muscle. Arms up. Inhale here. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Both your hands to the yoga mat. Lean back. Contract your stomach. Inhale here. Exhale 3 times. Bend your elbows. 3, 2, 1. Right knee bends. Right foot comes to the right side. Hands are under the shoulders. Somewhat like a lizard lunge position. Stay here. Inhale, exhale, right hand to the right thigh. Lean side to side as you open your hips. Breathe. Enjoy this. Deep inhale and exhale. Your both hands come back, left knee comes up. Inhale here, left hand stays strong, right arm up behind. Open your right shoulder. 3, 2, 1. Both your hands come back, both your legs come back. Downward dog. Left leg comes forward, left arm comes up. Stay here. 3, 2, 1. Both your hands forward, both your feet forward. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, namaste. Inhale, open up. Exhale, forward fold. Half up. Hold your palms behind. Lean your butt back. Roll your shoulders. It's like chair position, but your hands are bound. 3, 2, 1. Open your elbows like cactus. Inhale here. Exhale, elbows together. Inhale, open. Exhale, elbows together. Inhale, open. Once again, hold your palms. Rise up. Right foot stays on the yoga mat. Left knee comes up. Inhale here. Exhale, lean forward. And left foot finds the yoga mat. Roll your shoulders back. Breathe. Enjoy the feeling of opening your heart. Expanding your love, expanding confidence, expanding your connection with the world, with other living beings. Hands come on the waist. Straighten both legs. Left foot comes somewhat forward. And your hips are facing forward. Inhale here. Exhale. You can lean forward. And hands to the yoga mat. Half up. Exhale. Forward fold. We stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both feet come forward. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, namaste. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hold your hands behind. Roll your shoulders back. Lean your hips back in chair position with hands bound. Inhale here. Exhale, lean forward. Butt comes up in chair position. Next breath, come back in chair. Open your arms. Inhale, arms like cactus. Exhale, elbows together. Inhale, open. Exhale, elbows together. Inhale, open. Once again, hold your hands. Left foot stays on the yoga mat. Right knee comes up. Lean your chest forward. Bound hand, warrior 3. Right foot comes on the yoga mat. High lunge with hands bound. Roll your shoulders back. Heart comes up. Stay here. Breathe. Enjoy this. Smile a little bit. Next breath, hands come to your waist. Straighten your left foot, left leg, right leg comes a little bit forward. Your butt is square. And whenever you're ready, lean forward in pyramid. You could also be using pyramids. You could also be using blocks with pyramids. I forgot to say it on the first side. Lean forward towards your left leg and stay. Breathe. We stay here for another deep breath. Inhale fully and let it out. This time we do a vinyasa. Bend your left leg. Both your legs come forward. Plank, knees, chest, chin. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. From downward facing dog, walk your hands to your feet. Open your legs. Your heels stay on the yoga mat and come into Malasana. Join your hands. Breathe. Straighten your back as you press your elbows to your thighs. Stay here. Close your eyes. Remember the intention that we set in the beginning of this yoga class. Maybe your goal. Remind yourself that you're open to receiving whatever love, abundance, luxury, beauty comes your way. Lean your head forward, lean your hips side to side. Enjoy opening up your hips. Bring your hands forward. Right foot next to the right hand, left knee comes onto the yoga mat. Stay here, or this time let's add in a quad stretch. For quad stretch, bring your left foot to your left butt. Right hand goes and grabs the foot. So please be mindful that your butt is leaning forward. When you're up here, then your knee is pressing the mat. That might be painful, but when your hips are leaning forward, then your not knee, but your upper thigh is pressing the yoga mat. So roll your right shoulder up. Stay here. Look up. 3, 2, 1. Both your hands come in front of you. Right knee comes in front. Pigeon leg position. Bring your blocks under your shoulders. Roll your shoulders back. Inhale here. Exhale. From here, either you stay like this or come forward in sleeping pigeon position, or lift up. Bring your left hand, right hand behind to hold your left foot and stay here. Enjoy the stretch. Enjoy opening your right shoulder. Breathe. Stay here for 3, 2, 1. Right hand comes on your right knee, left knee bends. You can bring your left foot to your left hip. So either you're enjoying the position, or if it's too painful, you can just stay here. These positions are progressive. You don't get into them instantly, but you start from here, then build onto this, and then once this feels good, maybe you bring your left foot in your left elbow and hold your hands together in this beautiful mermaid variation. If this is easy, maybe bring your left hand up. Your left hand goes behind your head to grab your hand. Mermaid position. Enjoy this. It's such a beautiful position. In my mind, it resonates beautifully with the planet Venus. It's open to receiving. Your heart is open. Your hips are open. It's a beautiful position. It's graceful. And hopefully you feel good doing this. You can also hold a band. So next breath, bring your hand back. Let go of your foot nicely. No momentum. Hands back onto the yoga mat. Press your left foot. Left leg comes up. Right leg up. Right leg bends. Inhale here. Exhale. Stay in one leg, downward facing dog, or you can come into Kamakarasana, wild things. Stay here for 3, 2, 1. Right hand comes up. Right leg comes between the hands. Left leg forward. Forward fold. Inhale. Arms up. Exhale. Namaste. Inhale. Expand. Exhale, forward fold, come into downward facing dog. Bring your left foot next to the left hand. From here, bring your right knee to the yoga mat. Right hand stays stable. Left hand is holding your left thigh. So either you stay in this position, which is a beautiful position, or you can bend your right leg and hold your right foot. Open your shoulder. Enjoy this nice quad stretch. So just remember, there is no competition in yoga. You could be here or you could be here. Find a position that is working for you today. Don't force it. Remember, resting, understanding your body is also a part of activating Venus energy. So no hustling, but just receiving, magnetizing. So hands come back onto the yoga mat. Left knee comes in the middle. Stay here. You can bring blocks under your hands to lift yourself up so that you can make it more easy. Left hand goes behind to find your right leg. Stay here in this lifted pigeon position. If you want, if mermaid is not for you, you can also lean your head forward to come into sleeping pigeon position. Find what's working for you. Let your foot go. Let's do mermaid. So in mermaid, left hand is on the left knee. Right leg comes up. Hold your right foot. Bring your right foot in the crease of your right elbow. Option 1, hold your hands together, which is also enough. It's also a beautiful position. Next option, right hand comes up. Hold both your hands. Your elbow, left elbow is up and left arm is directly under your head. And enjoy this mermaid position. Breathe. Notice how this position makes you feel. Maybe feminine, maybe beautiful, maybe abundant. And breathe. Enjoy this. Enjoy opening your left side shoulder. Enjoy opening the feeling of opening your hips. And whenever you're ready, gently let yourself go. Bring your hands to the yoga mat. Tuck your right toes. Right leg comes up. Left leg comes up. Bend your left knee. 3-leg downward facing dog position. Or Kamakarasana, wild things. Wherever you are, enjoy. Breathe. We stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back in downward facing dog. Bring your knees to the yoga mat. Open your knees and let's find a variation of child pose. Breathe. Next breath, bring your hands to your knees and let's find a gentle cross-leg position. You can bring the blocks in front of you. We're soon going to fold forward onto the blocks, but first, bring your hands together and close your eyes. Notice how you're feeling. Once again, get in touch with your intention or with that goal you thought of today. Visualize that goal coming to life. Visualize love, luxury, beauty, rest, good times, everything manifesting, coming to life. Now, multiply that by 50. That's the power of Jupiter. Abundance. Expand it. Expand your visualizations. So don't limit yourself. Expand everything. So we are expanding the power of Venus with the power of Jupiter. Sit with this feeling, sit with that visualization as you lean forward. Open your eyes, lean forward, bring your elbows onto the yoga blocks and let your chest sink. Breathe. Enjoy this gentle forward fold. Next breath, bring your head up, open your legs. Your knees can be bent if that feels good, or your legs can be straight in straddle position. Find what's working for you and bring the blocks in front. Lean forward, bring your elbows to the yoga. Bring your elbows to the yoga blocks and lean forward. Maybe come in a little bit deeper. Breathe. Next breath, press your hands, lift your head up, bring your blocks to one side and bring your knees up, windshield wiper. And let your legs straighten and lie down on your back. Bring your knees to your chest, hold your feet, open your legs in happy baby, lean side to side. Bring your knees together, bring your knees to the right side, left hand opens on the left side, left arm. And enjoy this gentle twist. Deep inhale and let it out. Bring both your knees to the other side. Left hand is holding your right thigh. Now you may think, how is astrology related to yoga? But if you see, yoga has to do with the sun and the moon energy. So why don't we add extra drama and add astrology onto it? Why not? And come back. And now open your arms, open your legs, lie down. As we lie down, we take a moment to chant the mantra for Jupiter. I'm gonna type it here so that you can chant it with me. So 3 times we're gonna chant the mantra of Jupiter while visualizing our goal, our manifestation. Om Bhrim Brahaspati Namah. Om Bhrim Brahaspati Namah. Om Bhrim Brahaspati Namah. We're going to be chanting Venus mantra 3 times. Om Shukra Namah. Om Shukra Namah. Om Om Shukra Namah. Bring your knees to your chest. Lean side to side. Extend your body. Lie down in Shavasana. Take your time and today enjoy a nice long Shavasana. Remember, the rest is important and Venus energy has to do with aligned rest. Aligned action is important, but aligned rest is also equally important. So give yourself the luxury of rest. Take at least 5 minutes and lie down in Shavasana. If you enjoyed this flow, then please join my yoga retreat in Goa this November. The links are going to be in bio. And thank you for sharing your practice with me. Bye.